Hello and welcome to this video that will explain the OAuth consent screen of the Google Sheet add-on called Cross Compare. So let's get to it. I'll go to the extensions menu, Cross Compare, and I'll try to run the Cross Compare function. I'll click on that. And now there is a pop-up that is asking for permissions. So let's go and give Cross Compare permissions. So I'll click on Continue, and let's enlarge this window here. This one of the video requirements is for me to show this whole URL up here. So I'll keep on scrolling through that. So now hopefully the people verifying this video will be able to see all the information that was needed. Great. So then let's have a look at this OAuth consent screen. So here we see this consent screen where you need to provide an account that then will grant permissions to the Cross Compare add-on. So I'll use my credentials here, and then Cross Compare wants to access your Google account. So here are the OAuth rights that you are going to provide to the Cross Compare program, or to the Cross Compare add-on. So it is asking to see, edit, create, and delete your Google Sheets. So this OAuth is required so that the Cross Compare application can actually read in data from your spreadsheets to compare the two columns. So as the name of the application is Cross Compare, it is comparing two columns. So we need to be able to give the macro rights to read in data from the two columns, then make comparisons between the two columns, and then finally it needs to be able to create a new sheet and provide the results into the new sheet. And it will do all of this into a new sheet so that none of your existing data will be overwritten. And while the add-on script is running, the add-on script will ask for column names from you. So for example, column A and column C. So for you to be able to give that information and for the application to be able to ask those, you need to enable these prompts and sidebars. It will be using these prompts to ask you about the columns that you want to use in the comparison. And like it says here, you can always remove access from your Google account, and then you can also check out the more detailed privacy policy here. So if you click the link, it will take you to this privacy policy page where you can read further details on privacy policy stuff. Okay, let's get back to the consent screen. Where was I? Over here. So now that we've gone over these, I'll click on Allow. And now the add-on Cross Compare has been provided the correct OAuth rights. So now you can go to Extensions, Cross Compare, and let's try to run Cross Compare again. And as you see, now it starts running. So this is one of those prompts that I was talking about. So it is asking to give a column. So let's give it the column A and click on yes. And now it is asking for the second column. So let's give it the column C. And watch, there's only sheet 1 right now. And let's click yes here. And it's finally it's giving a check, so A1 to A18 and C1 to C18, that's fine. I'll click on yes. And as you can see, this new sheet was created, and it tells me the comparison was created successfully. And in addition, I have these breakdowns from comparing these two columns over here. So we have a list of numbers, invoice numbers that were found in both columns, a list of numbers that were found only in the first column, a list of numbers that were found only in the second column, and then we have duplicates in the first column and how many times this duplicate was in the first column, and then duplicates in the second column. Well, there's none, so none are displayed here. So basically this add-on just read in this data, and it's all inside Google Apps Script, and as I understand it, Google Apps Script is running in your browser. Pretty much Google can provide more information on that, on like where it is running the script, but I have no access to the data when you're running this cross-compare function. It's all happening inside your specific Google Sheet, and it's happening inside Google's servers. And once the macro has finished comparing the two columns, it gives out the results into a new sheet. So it basically creates this comparison sheet where it displays the results of the comparison. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tool useful in your daily work. Thank you.